Hi, please join me. For work I will use a 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. In this video tutorial you will see how to crochet unusual cord with seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. And now I show you how to thread seed beads onto the working yarn. For this I will use sewing needle, working yarn and seed beads. All information about the seed beads and other tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. I take sewing needle, put the yarn through the sewing needle. I remind you I'm using 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Take seed beads and pull it through like this. It is very simple and quick at the same time. In your case, you can count seed beads. In my case, I don't count, but just put it on the sewing needle. I remind you, for this project you just need to know how to work with basic stitches and seed beads. Take seed bead and put it to the sewing needle and pull it through. So next time I will show you how to crochet the cord. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain and pull it. I will not use it. Take seed beads. Take 4 seed beads, yarn over the hook. Behind the seed bead, make a chain with seed bead. Turn the work. Then make a chain. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with 4 seed beads. And turn the work. I am done 2 segments. I will not repeat them. Continue. For the next segment, make chain, yarn over the hook for double crochet, insert the hook between the second and the third seed bead, make double crochet. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads and turn the work. Make a chain and double crochet between the second and the third seed bead, like this, and make the next one, and I will repeat it each time. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads, turn the work, make a chain and make double crochet. Let's make some more segments. Take seed beads, make the chain with 4 seed beads. Turn the work, make a chain and double crochet between 2 seed beads, like this. Here what I have. It could be perfect to create bracelet or any decoration for yourself. Let's make some more segments. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads, turn the work, make a chain, yarn over the hook and make double crochet. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain, turn the work, then make a chain and double crochet between 2 seed beads. Let's repeat one more time. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain, turn the work, then make a chain and make double crochet. Make a chain with 4 seed beads, turn the work, continue, make a chain, yarn over the hook and make double crochet. Here what I have at this point. So this is double-sided cord, so you can use any side. So you should keep working in this way as many segments as you need for your project. Once I have done my cord, once I have done the last segment of my cord, now I show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last double crochet, I'm not using seed beads in this way. Turn the work, make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook between 2 seed beads, make double crochet. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and my cord is ready. So my cord is done. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on any side of the cord using the sewing needle or crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my cord is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. For this project you just need to know how to work with double crochet, chains and seed beads. So you don't need special skills for this one. You can use it like a decoration for your outfit, or it could be part of big project such as Irish or Gipper laces. Also, it could be perfect to create bracelet, necklace, belt, decoration for hair, or another accessories for yourself or home. Please write comment below this video what you will get with my video tutorials. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. I remind you, this is double-sided work. You can use both of them. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!